In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a clip in the project panel. Renaming clips is a small habit that makes a big difference. Clear, consistent names help you stay organized, find the right media faster, and avoid confusing similar shots while you edit. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make quick, clean changes without disrupting your workflow. First, make sure your project panel is open and visible. This is the area where your imported media, sequences, and folders live. Take a moment to locate the clip you want to rename. You can navigate through your folders or bins just like you would in a file browser. If you're working with a lot of footage, scanning logically through your organizational structure will save time later, and it keeps your project tidy as it grows. Next, select the clip by clicking it once to highlight it. A single click is important here. You should see a clear visual cue that the clip is selected, usually a highlighted row or thumbnail border. If you accidentally double click, many editors will open the clip in a viewer instead of preparing it for renaming. No worries if that happens. Just close the viewer and return to the project panel, then click once to highlight again. With the clip selected, it's time to rename. On Windows, press Enter. On Mac, press Return. Alternatively, you can right-click the selected clip and choose Rename from the context menu. As soon as you do this, the clip's name field becomes editable. If pressing Enter doesn't activate the name field, your focus might not be on the project panel yet, so click the panel to refocus and try again. Type your new name, then press Enter or Return once more to confirm. Use descriptive, consistent names that actually mean something at a glance. Things like scene and take numbers, locations, or content cues. Avoid using characters your system might not